Tonight we're learning names and histories of more Catholic clerics accused of sexually abusing Colorado children.
The Catholic Church is already under scrutiny following reports detailing decades of abuse. The investigation released last month showed more than 166 children were abused by 43 priests here in Colorado over a time period spanning nearly 7 decades. And tonight we're learning about abuse accusations against more than 100 priests.
Denver 7 Chief Investigator Tony Kowaleski is here. We're also hearing from more victims of clergy abuse.
That's correct, Shannon Ann. Bottom line, the focus today was make sure the mistakes that have been uncovered over the past 5 decades don't continue. It's a cry for help, a call for action.
There is just so much truth that needs to be revealed.
A Minnesota attorney coming to Colorado to keep the pressure on the Catholic Church.
They've also chosen to not reveal the complicity and the participation of the top officials.
Jeff Anderson released this report, a list of priests that served in Colorado and have been publicly accused of child sex abuse. Victims coming forward now decades later, sharing their claims of physical and mental abuse.
And they told me, if Jesus could suffer and die on the cross, I would think you could handle this.
The overriding message by victims, a call for greater accountability, saying responsibility for what happened over 5 decades in Colorado goes beyond the priests and must include bishops and Catholic leaders.
And every single time we'd bring a case forward, the Catholic bishops would hold up the statute of limitations as a shield and say you can't do anything about it, and there's nothing you can do about it because we can hide behind it.
Anderson and Colorado victims say the recently released Special Masters report did not go far enough, did not name the bishops responsible for the continued abuses.
And the 8 men you're referring to here are the 8 men depicted on this board, who are the former archbishops and bishops who presided and made these reckless choices.
And perhaps the strongest message of the day was to Colorado lawmakers, asking leaders under the Golden Dome to extend the state's statute of limitations, matching moves already made in California and New York.
What's your message to Colorado lawmakers?
Is to remove the statute of limitations. It's quite simple, and it's time for public policy to not protect the predators.
Now, today's Denver's Archdiocese issued a statement also that included the Archdiocese, more than any other institution, recognizes the importance of remaining vigilant and has gone to great lengths to continually strengthen and improve the policies and procedures we have in place to protect children over the last 3 decades. Now, victims clearly calling on lawmakers to take action, to give them more power, and trying to hold the Catholic Church accountable. And Shannon?
We'll see what they do. All right, Tony, thank you.
Tony, thank you very much.